Hey, thanks for joining me. It's Nikole from Nikole Beauty Co. Today we are going to roll in and make a second look with my beautiful palette Whalesong from Managerie Cosmetics. We're going to build a blue look today. And if you haven't seen the palette, there it is. Check out the pretty artwork on it. So let's get started. We're going to dive into the color Cetacean, which is a matte blue color, matte pastel blue. I do have a full review on this palette if you're interested, so if that's something that you'd like to see, go ahead and click on that. Now for myself, when I'm laying down shadow, I like to leave a little highlight underneath the brow itself. I just think it breaks it up. I think it looks nice. Next, I'm going in with Dive, which is this bright blue. Next, I'm going into this blue-green tone Barnacle. I'm going to go into Breaching. And back again with that same brush and the Barnacle. Excuse me, the Breaching, not the Barnacle. So going back in with Cetacean, I'm going under my lower lash line. Next, taking a thin angled brush, I'm going to go in with Dive. I'm going to lay that even closer. And again with this brush, dipping in, we're going back into Breaching. With this Whalesong, I'm just going to lay a little bit of shimmer using my fingers. That's the preferred way that I do shimmers and foils and stuff. So that's the extent of what I'm going to use my Whalesong for. I am going to go into my Modern Renaissance and use my Almost All Gone Tempera, which is a matte, I would say it's a matte light peach color. I'm going to lay that just under the brow bone. That's just my preference when I use really brights. I like to have that. I think a little bit of the peach is flattering. And back with a fluffy brush, I'm just kind of diffusing that edge. So so we have no harsh lines. Okay, we are gonna go in with our beautiful deep blue cream gel liner from ColourPop. This is Showdown. I'm gonna place that on the lower lash. Love it. And I am going to smoke that out just a little bit. You know what? I totally lied. I am going to go back into the Whalesong, and I'm going to use this pearl color, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner highlight. I think that adds a little something, something. So I don't know what it is about blues, but they really, really remind me of like sci-fi, and I'm okay with that. So using Prance, which is a periwinkle blue, on the waterline, we're going to add that. Tattoo liner from KVD Beauty, and this is in Trooper Black. We're going to use some Colossal Volume Express Cat Eyes by Maybelline. What I love about this mascara, I really like the applicator. I think it's a great mascara. It's inexpensive. And it gets the job done. Melting Pout Below Deck. So I had a little KVD Alchemy Holographic palette in the blue sapphire on, but I had so much cleanup from the Whalesong that I kind of brushed it away, I think. So I just want a more strong blue highlight. So there we have it, Whalesong. A little bit of CoverGirl. If you like blue eyeshadow, this palette is for you because it is definitely very, very blue. Now, this is the second time that I've played with a Whalesong. You'll see my first review video and then this, and I can say that this is buildable, it's blendable, but it is extremely powdery in the pan. There's like an unusual, I mean, there's always a little bit of fallout in almost any pan, but in this one, it's just like over the top. So definitely wear shadow shields, and I would actually recommend you put a towel over your clothing. Now, once it's on your lids, it's pretty good. It doesn't seem to fall out, but getting it there is a bit of a challenge. So tell me what you think. I normally don't like super glosses because they're a lot of maintenance, but I think this one is just awesome with this look. I'm actually kind of surprised that she doesn't have a tone almost exactly like this, because this tone is, to me, pretty spot on for breaching. What do you think? There, that's better. Breaching. Pretty close, right? Tell me what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for joining me and seeing my blue look. Have a great day.